Ever wondered about the future of Chainlink? Will it rise, will it fall, or will it surprise us all? Let's shed some light on these questions. Currently, Chainlink, also known as LINK, is experiencing a tumultuous period. Its price hovers around $17.53, reflecting a slight dip of 2.59% in the past 24 hours. But don't let this immediate figure fool you. Chainlink boasts a substantial market cap of approximately $10.26 billion, placing it firmly among the top contenders in the world of cryptocurrencies. But the road ahead seems to be, at least for the short term, a little rocky. Technical analysis suggests a bearish outlook for Chainlink. This means that the price might continue to dip in the near future. However, it's not all doom and gloom. There's been a notable uptick in whale accumulations. For those unfamiliar with the term, whale accumulations refer to large quantities of Chainlink being bought up by big players in the market. In fact, a whopping $176.98 million worth of Chainlink has been accumulated in the last day alone. Now let's talk about price predictions. They're essentially educated guesses based on a variety of factors. For Chainlink, price predictions for the year 2024 range from $23.05 to $26.85. But the real eye-catcher is the potential growth predicted by the year 2030. Some forecasts suggest that Chainlink could soar to a staggering $217.20. So as we can see, the future of Chainlink holds a lot of promise, but also a lot of uncertainty. Let's dive into the factors that might affect this future. So what exactly influences the price of Chainlink? Why does it fluctuate as it does? Well, the answer to that question is multifaceted. Let's dive into it. Firstly, market trends play a significant role. Cryptocurrencies in general are highly volatile, and Chainlink is no exception. The overall condition of the crypto market, whether it's in a bullish or bearish phase, can heavily sway the price of Chainlink. For instance, when the market is thriving, you'll likely see Chainlink's price surge. Conversely, when the market is down, Chainlink's price can plummet. Next up is investor sentiment. This is a significant driver of Chainlink's price. Positive news or developments related to Chainlink can spark investor interest, leading to increased buying activity, which in turn pushes up the price. On the flip side, negative news can result in selling pressure, causing the price to drop. It's a classic case of supply and demand. Now let's talk about technological developments. Chainlink is an oracle network that aims to bridge the gap between blockchain and real-world data. Therefore, any technological advancements in this field can have a direct impact on Chainlink's price. For instance, if Chainlink introduces a new feature or upgrade that enhances its functionality or usability, this could potentially drive its price up. However, if there are technological issues or setbacks, this could negatively affect its price. Finally, we can't overlook the influence of regulatory news. Cryptocurrencies are still in a gray area when it comes to legislation in many parts of the world. Any news related to regulatory developments can cause significant price shifts. If a major country introduces crypto-friendly regulations, it could boost Chainlink's price. However, if there's news of stricter regulations or potential bans, this could cause the price to fall. It's also worth noting that these factors are interconnected. For example, a positive regulatory development might boost investor sentiment, which could then drive up the price. Similarly, a technological setback could lead to negative market trends, causing the price to drop. Remember, investing in cryptocurrencies like Chainlink involves a degree of risk due to these volatile factors. It's always essential to do your research and stay updated on the latest news and developments. As we've seen, there are many factors at play when it comes to Chainlink's price. It's not just about the market trends or investor sentiment, but also about the technology behind Chainlink and the regulations that govern it. So, we've taken a deep dive into Chainlink, its future, and the factors that could shape this future. But what are the key takeaways here? Firstly, let's consider the current status of Chainlink. Its price stands at $17.53, marking a slight dip of 2.59% in the last 24 hours. Despite this, it boasts a healthy market cap of over $10 billion. Turning to the future, predictions for Chainlink's price are cautiously optimistic. In the shorter term, we could see the price range between $23.05 to $26.85 in the year 2024. If we take a longer view, the price could soar to as much as $217.20 by the end of the decade. That said, it's important to remember that these predictions are not set in stone. They hinge on a multitude of factors, including market trends, technological advancements, regulatory developments, and even notable whale accumulations. In the past day alone, whale accumulations totaled a whopping $176.98 million. However, with every silver lining, there's a cloud. There's a level of uncertainty that cannot be ignored. The end of the so-called crypto winter remains a mystery, with the industry showing both promising and discouraging signs. So what does this all boil down to? Well, Chainlink's future is certainly promising, but it is by no means guaranteed. The potential for growth is there, but so is the potential for uncertainty. In the end, the future of Chainlink, like all cryptocurrencies, is uncertain. But with a solid understanding of the factors at play, we can make more informed predictions and decisions. Remember, always do your own research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Here's to the future of Chainlink, whatever it may hold.